Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your website IP address on SiteGround. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, you have to just log in simply, and to find IP address and the name server assigned to a website, go to a client area websites, and from the list of your websites locate the one you want to check and click the kebab menu, and next to it and click website settings. So just tab on this website settings. So after inside, then click on the kebab menu and select server details. Just tap on it and screen will see the IP address on the website and its name, server NS1 and NS2. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.